Let's start with LinkedIn authority building. LinkedIn is the most powerful platform for B2B networking in the USA. By consistently posting valuable insights, joining industry groups, and optimizing your profile, you establish yourself as a trusted expert. This authority attracts high-value clients who are already searching for solutions. Next, focus on automated lead generation. Beginners often waste time chasing cold leads. Instead, use email automation, CRM funnels, and AI-powered prospecting to nurture relationships at scale. This ensures your pipeline is always filled with qualified prospects without burning out. Finally, master content marketing that converts. Create case studies, white papers, and short videos that highlight how your product solves real problems. B2B buyers in the USA want proof, not fluff. When you deliver content that educates and builds trust, closing deals becomes effortless. These three strategies, LinkedIn authority, automated lead generation, and content that converts, are the foundation of B2B success. Apply them today, and you will be on your way to building a business that earns millions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.